decor craft is made out of egg carton. At the end of the video, I'll be sharing you pros and cons of the craft so that you can decide whether to make it or not. Alternative items you can use for this craft is paper straws instead of the plastic ones. Pros and cons of this craft is to make this craft it took 1 to 1.5 hours of time, but here you don't require many items to make this craft. It is easy, affordable, anyone can make it, no skills are required. So overall it is a budget friendly wall decor idea. Do like, share the video and subscribe to my channel for many more interesting ideas. Thank you.